Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're gonna show you how you can send your galleries picture as a snap in your Snapchat app. But before we start with our video, please like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, share this video to your friends and family, whoever needs this. And we will just start with our video. Go to your Snapchat app, you'll go to camera roll, you'll choose one of the pictures, click the send to and choose your friend, and let's go check our message. Go to the message box icon, click the message that you just sent right now, and you can see it's sent as a picture, not as a snap that we usually send. So how to send that, I'll show you. You go back to your camera option, click this search bar, and you search camera roll. Then you have various lens options, and then I'll just go with this first one. As you can see, with this option you have your galleries photos popped up, so you can choose any of the picture that you want to send. I'll go with the same picture. I'll click this one, click it, and then click the next button. Send the same picture to the same friend, send it, and I'll go back and check how this picture has been sent. So go to the message that you just sent. Message has been sent and delivered as a snap. So this is how you send your gallery pictures as snaps, and I hope this video has helped you so far. Please do make sure to leave comments below and how you like our video and what other tutorial video you would like to have, and we will do it accordingly. So thank you so much for watching our video till the end. Bye bye.